Many beginners to internet marketing may be wondering about the difference of an opt-in email marketing program to bulk email marketing. The following information will help you decide more intelligently on which email marketing program can best contribute to your business. Let's examine first the sending process of unsolicited bulk email. When bulk emailing, the unverified or unqualified email addresses are the recipients of unsolicited email messages. This type of process can be less expensive compared to a standard email marketing program. However, unsolicited clients who receive massive bulk emails often ignore them and even block the website that sent them such emails or have them sent to junk mail folder. Now, let us look at the process of direct opt-in email marketing. This kind of email marketing only sends email to recipients who want contact with the company. It's also a good idea to have them opt in twice by sending them an email so that they can confirm again that they do in fact want to be getting your messages. The bottom line is this: opt-in email marketing program is the best process to undergo in order to become successful on your internet business.